Which type of wind chime should you choose for your home? Metal, wooden, 5 pipe, 3 pipe, or a big one? Let's find out in this video. Have you ever wondered what is the significance of wind chimes as per Feng Shui? The gentle tinkling sound emanating from the wind chimes meanders in the premises with positive energy and gets soaked in the space, thereby attracting happiness and prosperity. Though opted more as a decorative showpiece, but it is a vital part of Feng Shui decoration. Beautifully crafted wind chimes amalgamated with Feng Shui elements welcomes good luck for your abode. Apart from adding style and beauty to the house, the Feng Shui wind chimes are powerful enough to attract good luck, happiness, wealth and prosperity by placing the right type of wind chimes in the right corner. So when you think about wind chimes, it's imperative to know about the different aspects like material, number of rods and direction in which it is to be placed to yield positive fruitful results. Each wind chime has a different sound, that is different personality and performs differently. So let's discuss the various aspects before bringing in a beautiful wind chime for your home. So let's start with the most popular one, metal wind chimes. Owing to the serene tinkling sound produced by the metal rods, they are common in most households. Metal wind chimes placed in the northwest direction enhances the number of helpful people and also safeguards travel for the residents. Placing a metal wind chime in the west direction enhances creativity for all and also brings children's well-being. The second type of wind chimes are the bamboo wind chimes or the wooden ones. They make a different sound altogether than the metal ones, and when placed in the east direction, it brings good luck to the family. Placing a bamboo wind chime in the southeast sector of your home attracts wealth for the residents. The other one is the ceramic wind chime. Well, they don't make a lot of sound, but they are very attractive, look very beautiful. They bring good luck when placed in the southwest, center and northeast zone of your home. So how many rods should a wind chime have? Number plays a vital role in keeping the energy flowing and incorporating positive vibrations. In Feng Shui as well as numerology, number of rods in a wind chime determines its effects on the all-round well-being of the residents. Get a wind chime having 3 or multiples of 3 like 6, 9 pipes to attract wealth, accomplishment and attainment in life. 4 rods symbolizes strong foundation and establishes security. So if you are facing from insecurities, lack of confidence and anxiety, keep a wind chime with 4 pipes. 5 rods depict the 5 elements and represents dynamic change in a positive way. This wind chime is good for business luck and prosperity. As per Feng Shui, 7 is the number of knowledge. A 7-rod wind chime helps deepen knowledge and expand the learning horizon. Placing a wind chime with 7 pipes is good for students and for career growth of professionals. Number 8 symbolizes all positivity in life like growth, success and ongoing abundance. This wind chime is good for overall development and well-being of the house. Wind chimes in Feng Shui activates and removes stagnant energy. The sound of chimes makes the space, be it house, office, garden or patio, auspicious by warding off harmful energy. All sounds are energy and the tinkling sound of the wind chime attracts positive energy. Perhaps wind chimes are the most opted Feng Shui cures as it has all potency to attract happiness and prosperity for you and your family. So bring in a wind chime from divyamantra.com and let the sound of good luck keep flowing in. Thank you for watching this video.